What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more. And today we are going to be attempting to build a BMX slash mountain bike ramp. So let's do it. So guys, you probably can't see the lines at the moment, but we drew some lines now. Let's just say it's pretty good. Like, we're basically going to have the big jump, a little like space, and then a small little steeper ramp. So yeah, now I have no clue what we're doing, so I'm just gonna wait.
It's not so bad, it's not so bad. Even if I could, it'll all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad, it's not so bad. Come on. It's not so bad, it's not so bad.
So guys, now we have got these two wooden like side panel things. So now we have to build the structure. So guys, now we're figuring out how wide we would like the actual ramp. Then this is the bendy wood, it's plywood. And then yeah, that's hopefully going to be going on top. So then I think I should go like that because the Amelia's skateboard.
I think we should go for the maximum width that we can get it.
What did you say, William?
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
I can just like skip that.
He left no time to regret. Kept his way with his same old safe bet. Me and my head high and my tears dry. Get on.
Within what? 77 minus 2. 77 minus 2. Minus 2. means 77 minus 2 equals 75, and then minus another 2 equals 73. Okay.
So how many buttons do you think we're going to need? Well,
11. What's this? I just ripped it from the back.
how many buttons do you need?
Think about it.
We're going to go.
1,
Yeah. I like that. One at the other end.
2, 3, 4. Do we have one more?
Yeah, probably go and find some more.
Actually, I think 2.
But let's put that one will have to go at the end, won't it? Because I have to get one on the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I woke up feeling like this gon' be my day. I got that poppin' fire every step I take. Let me tell you something.
So guys,
We'll take the screws out the old bits of wood first. That's what we
I just wet my gloves, so now I'm not wearing them at the moment. So then, this is the little baddie. Done. Okay, so then, which one should we start with? I kind of want to start with this one because it's already out. That's it.
Okay. It would have worked.
Where did it go in? be drilling holes in the wood. So that means we can have it to get onto that. So let's go into it. Okay, come on, Dad.
Okay, so where I put the X is where you need to drill.
Where's the X?
And keep your hands away from this because if gloves are on, you don't need to do such. So you'll see all those little crosses here.
Oh, you want me to drill them on that?
Yeah, dead straight down.
You mean like that?
Put it on the cross. Now look at the angle that you're at. That's it, perfect. All the way through. That's it. Keep it spinning. Get another one next to it. See how
adalah hal yang paling aneh hidup di dunia. Menyapa mesra para pedeba yang tidak berhati. Mereka para pembunuh dengan banyak alasan. Motivasi ekonomi hingga yang paling biasa. Entah apa motifnya, entah apa tujuan. Tidak tahu arah, pasti emosi jiwa yang utama. Tanpa berpikir panjang seolah menjadi gagal. Hidup mencabut nyawa sudah menjadi hiburan.